Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u du. Similar for this one. First derivative of negative number 9, this is about the constant. So you got about 0. Now we need to simplify number 2 for the both sides. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by u du. U and u, we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.